Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking developer mode so you can alter firmware. This clears your device, which is why you back up first. Once done, ensure the battery is above 50% and plug in an 8+ GB USB recovery drive to be safe. Make sure you know the key combo for your model because it triggers a factory reset. That reset is necessary to access the deeper system. You're doing this to remove Chrome OS restrictions and prepare for custom firmware and installation media. Next, create a Windows 7 USB installer on another PC using the ISO and a Rufus-style tool. Use an 8+ GB USB and choose MBR where required. Then, flash custom firmware like cBIOS or Coreboot so the Chromebook can boot legacy OSs. Follow model-specific commands precisely. Once you flash, keep a backup of the original firmware and document recovery steps and keyboard shortcuts. Doing this avoids permanent bricking and lets you revert if the Windows installer needs legacy BIOS behavior. Now boot the Chromebook from the Windows 7 USB by using the firmware boot key you noted. Choose the cleaned partition and run the installer. Make sure you have a USB with hardware drivers handy because Wi-Fi, audio, and touchpad often need manual driver installs. Once Windows runs, install drivers, enable updates, and confirm boot order. If the device won't boot, reflash the stock firmware using your recovery USB and firmware backup. This is the key troubleshooting step to recover a non-booting system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.